Hi, and welcome to this video. This is the first tutorial on ABBYY FlexiCapture as a part of ABBYY 101 series. This series is focused towards the newcomers to ABBYY and will be providing beginner insights on template creation with an ABBYY FlexiCapture. This is not meant to be an exhaustive guide of all the features within ABBYY software, and it is not officially linked to ABBYY the company by any means. In this lesson, we will be covering creating a new project within ABBYY FlexiCapture Layout Studio and configuring the basic properties of the project. So let's get started. First, let's open ABBYY FlexiCapture Layout Studio and click over Create a New Project. In the New Project pop-up, we are prompted to enter the project name, and in this case, we will call it ABBYY 101. The type will be automatically selected as Flexi Layout, where the other option is a classifier. Then we have the location in which we want to save the project files. At the bottom of this pop-up, we have a checkbox that allows us to create a new folder with the same name of the project and place all the project files inside of it. This is usually selected by default, and it is recommended for a cleaner layout of the project. Now we're ready to create the project, so we click the OK button. Once the project is created, we are prompted with the Project Properties window. We will be going through the General tab of the properties. First, we have the option to change the project name, specify a certain version of the project, and write a description of the project for future references. The second section deals with pre-recognition. The pre-recognized text is the base which ABBYY will be searching for field names, table labels, headers, and other defined elements. You can think of it as the digitization step of the document, in which we transfer it from an image into a text with attributes and coordinates on the image. In the pre-recognition section, we can select the language we want ABBYY to match the characters against. English is selected by default as it was the language of installation. If we click the dotted button, we can select multiple languages. Let us say that the document has Arabic and English text simultaneously. In this case, we will select Arabic as the second pre-recognition language. Selecting both Arabic and English as separate pre-recognition languages is different than the option that has Arabic and English in a single selection. This is different in the sense that the former selection allows us to have the fields recognized in either Arabic or English, where in the latter, the field can be a mix of both languages. So after we have selected Arabic, we click OK. Let us explore the General tab of the Advanced Pre-Recognition Properties. This tab gives us the ability to select what type of text we are expecting in our document. Whether it is a regular typographic font, which is the range of fonts that we use in our computers, or it contains other types such as matrix printer type, as you can see here, or ancient typewriter font, as you can see in this image as well. The second property is the speed of recognition. As you may have intuitively assumed, the faster the document is recognized, the lower the accuracy and the completeness of recognition is, and vice versa. We will keep it balanced for now and click OK. The last part of this tab of the project properties is for configuring multi-page documents. If you allow multi-page documents by checking this checkbox, you will need to specify the minimum and the maximum number of pages per document. If you leave this part intact, the default is 1 page per document, which means that whenever you load a multi-page document into your batch, the studio will split it into separate files with 1 page per file. For the time being, we will leave it as it is and save the properties by clicking on Apply and then OK. With that, our project is set and we're ready to configure a batch or add images to the default batch. And this will be our topic for the next tutorial. That will be it for today. Thanks for watching and talk to you in the next one. Until then, happy automating.